What do you know about YouTube Red? Well, let me explain it for you. It's a monthly paid YouTube subscription channel which allows you to watch videos without any ads. And it supports background audio playing and picture-in-picture mode in Oreo Plus devices. Interesting, right? But one thing to notice, it's not yet available in India and it's paid across the globe. But we don't want to pay, right? So in this video, let's hack it for free from India. Before that, this is Ram and you are here in Tech for Room. So let's get started. Here, I'm using the Xiaomi Mi A1, which runs on Oreo. So first move to the description and install the 2 APKs from it. Now you will see 2 YouTube apps. One is your regular old one and another one is this. Open the new app. You can sign in with your regular YouTube account. First, you will notice that there is no ad here. There is also few extra options in the settings. Play any video you want, just press the home button. You got the picture-in-picture. Now you can use any other applications in background while watching YouTube. And not only that, you can also listen to audios and soundtracks from background, like your regular MP3 songs. Well guys, the picture-in-picture mode supports only on Oreo Plus devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you do like this video, hit subs and do like and comment for more awesome content like this. Until then, this is Ram and I'm signing off.